Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the system option. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the languages and input and tap on languages at the top. This is the list of all applied languages, so let's first of all tap on add a language to open the full list of available ones. So simply find yours and then tap on it. Let me choose something like maybe Greek. Just tap on it, choose the region if you can. And as you can see, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. Just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, we can do it again. Just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And there we've got English. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.